Hey, how y'all doing? So I just want to get up here real quick because I know a few people who have purchased sea moss from me have been asking me, hey, what do I do with it? And I've been saying, hey, smoothies, so on and so forth. So I put together a few things that I'm going to make a quick little smoothie, something sweet to drink. It's, you know, because summer's coming, you're going to have to hydrate and all that other good stuff, plus get some fruit and veggies in there. Anyway, I have a few ingredients. Obviously my sea moss. I have some blue raw agave. I have some ice. Strawberries already frozen. Some pineapples. Some pre-washed fresh kale. Oops. And I have some organic peaches. I usually like to start with my base, which is my kale. I've already washed it. Now I got my veggies in there. Sometimes I'll put spinach, but I didn't feel like it. I have my frozen strawberries. Pineapples. And I like to cut my fruit up. I'll go to the market. Like, here's the pineapple I'm about to cut up after I finish this video. Cut it up and then I put it in the freezer. I'll get my daughter to do it. But here's some pineapple. And now we're going to, I like to get 2 tablespoons of sea moss, which I've already cut up right here. So I got 2 tablespoons of raw Irish sea moss. Got my ice. Now I'm going to put my peach. See, and like I like to get the organic ones. Target usually has the organic, or I'll go to Whole Foods. You can get these organic. And then I got my blue agave for a little bit of sweetener. This one.
A few moments later. A little longer than a few minutes later.
What I'm gonna do is I'm going to if you have apple juice or even a little bit of water, that will sometimes help with your base. And I only poured a little bit in there because I don't want it to lose that flavor.
More moments later. Many minutes later.
So let's see what this frosted goodiness tastes like. So you see all that gluiness on the blade. Sometimes I like to. And there you have it, guys. A nice fruit blended smoothie with fruit, some kale for goodness. I added a little bit of agave for sweetener. I didn't add a lot. You can add protein powder to make it a meal replacement if you want. You can add whatever you want, but regardless, here we go.